Today we're launching the First Aid Sling, a limited availability product. This is not a limited run. We're not taking pre-orders. We've already got these made, but there's not a lot of them. So don't delay if you want one. Let's dive in and show you what this offers versus some of our other first aid bags. So here's the sling that we're launching today. And here's the small first aid kit. It unzips, drops down, you got an inside pocket, Velcro on the back. Down here, you've got your tourniquet. But if you're not Velcroing this somewhere, it's not really great for like sticking it into a pocket, or it could hang up on the carpet of your truck. So that's why we wanted to have something in a smaller form factor that was really slimline, easy to store under your seat in a door pocket. You can even hang it off the back of your seat, but still had everything you need for your first aid kit. So this utilizes 2 of our 6x12 pouches. They're removable, they Velcro in, so you can orient them different ways, but it gives you plenty of storage for all kinds of first aid items, especially these larger trauma-focused flat pack items like burn dressings and combat gauze. And much like the tool pouch sling, I love how when you pick it up, this strap closes everything. You don't actually need to secure that buckle if you're just going on the move, and keeps anything from falling out. So you can throw it over your shoulder and go. So if you want to grab a first aid sling, don't delay. We've only got a limited quantity available. You can find this on the site along with a lot of other great Overland gear. Be sure to visit us at blueridgeoverlandgear.com.